Do you really think God created you to struggle? To keep knocking on doors that never open? To keep searching again and again for something that is already inside you? No. That idea is one of the biggest illusions in this world. You were not meant to spend your life looking for a job. You were not meant to chase anything at all. The moment you start searching, you silently admit that you do not have it. And when you accept that feeling of not having, you create more of the same. God has already placed inside you the ability to bring into your life whatever you need. But instead of using that power, you were trained to believe that hard work, pressure, and struggle are the only ways to receive anything. Think about it honestly. When did forcing something ever truly give you peace? When did worry ever bring you what you wanted? It never did. That is because the answer was never in searching. It was always in knowing. A person who truly knows he is rich does not wake up every morning worried about money. A person who knows he is loved does not run after attention. A person who knows he is chosen does not beg for chances. God did not say stress, chase, and suffer. God said be still and know. That means trust, not panic. That means certainty, not fear. So if you are running after a job, pause for a moment. If you are looking for safety and security outside, stop for a moment. Instead, go within yourself. See yourself already having what you want. Feel the peace, the happiness, the confidence of already having it. When you do this, things begin to come to you naturally. Opportunities appear without force. Doors open that you did not even knock on. This is because you were never told to chase. You were meant to believe and receive. Everything you experience in life is connected to what is happening inside you. The people you meet, the situations you face, the chances you get, even the problems that show up, none of them are random. They reflect what you believe deep inside. When you truly understand this, you stop thinking life is happening to you. You realize it is happening through you. This changes everything. You stop feeling like a victim and start becoming the one in control. From childhood, you were taught to look outside for answers. You were told that success comes only from working hard, that love comes from other people, and that happiness comes from things you own. But what if this is not fully true? What if everything you are looking for is already inside you, just waiting for you to notice it? The truth is that the world works like a mirror. It reflects your strongest beliefs, whether you are aware of them or not. If you believe life is unfair, you will see proof of it everywhere. You will meet difficult people and face hard situations that confirm that belief. But if you believe life is supporting you, that things are always working out for you, then the world will begin to show you that reality instead. Life does not change first. You change first, and then life follows. Right now, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are shaping your experience. If you look at your life and see struggle, lack, or limits, understand something clearly. These are not powerful forces controlling you from outside. They are only reflections of what you have accepted as true inside. You do not need to fight them or be afraid of them. You only need to change the source, which is your state of mind. Most people try to fix their outside situation without changing what is happening inside. They run after money, relationships, or success, thinking these things will finally make them feel complete. But even when they get what they want, the feeling does not last. Soon, they want more. This happens because they never change the root inside themselves. A person who feels not good enough will keep attracting situations that prove that feeling. No matter what they achieve, they still feel empty. But a person who feels abundant will attract abundance even if they start with very little. So ask yourself honestly, what do you believe about yourself? Do you see yourself as powerful, valuable, and naturally lucky? Or do you see yourself as someone who must struggle, prove themselves, and fight for everything? The world will always agree with what you believe. It cannot do anything else. If you want your life to change, you must first change what is inside you. Become aware of your thoughts. Notice how you talk to yourself. Pay attention to the feelings you repeat every day. Just wishing for a better life is not enough. You must become the version of yourself who already has it. If you want love, feel loved now. If you want success, feel successful now. The outside world will follow later. Many people feel stuck because they are waiting for life to change first. They think once things improve, then they will feel better. But it works the other way around. Life is waiting for you to change first. When you take responsibility for your inner world, you take back your power. You stop reacting and start directing your life. You stop begging for chances and begin attracting them. You stop looking for approval and start feeling confident within yourself. The outside world is not controlling you. It is reflecting you. It shows you exactly what you believe without mistake. If you want to know what you truly think about yourself, just look at your life. It is the clearest answer you will ever get. And if you do not like what you see, do not fight it. Change what is inside, and the outside will change naturally. You were never meant to search outside for what is already within. You are not here to chase, struggle, or hope life will be kind to you. You are here to decide, to assume, and to know that what you want is already yours. And when you truly accept this, the world will reflect it back to you. You were not created to run after things or beg for what already belongs to you. The idea that you must exhaust yourself to receive good things is not from God, it is from the world. From the beginning, everything you need has already been prepared for you. Your job is only to align with it, accept it, and trust it is already done. When you chase something, you are telling yourself that it is not yours. You create distance between you and what you want. But when you receive, you accept that it is already close to you. You move from feeling empty to feeling complete, and life responds to that shift. Look at nature. The sun does not chase the sky. Rivers do not beg the ocean. Everything flows naturally. Trees do not struggle to grow. They simply take what is given, and growth happens. Birds do not wake up worried about food. They trust life. You are also part of this same system. You are not meant to live in fear or run after things as if they are escaping you. What is meant for you cannot be lost. The power to bring everything into your life is already inside you. When you connect with this power, you stop acting from fear. You stop needing approval or chasing opportunities. You stand in certainty, knowing everything is moving in your favor. And when you live like this, life becomes easy and natural. The world has trained you to believe in struggle. It taught you that success only comes from hard effort, that love must be earned, and that chances must be fought for. But notice something. People who seem to get everything easily are not chasing. They have a strong belief that what they want is already theirs. They do not force things. They allow them. They do not beg. They receive. If you feel like you are always searching, stop and ask yourself what you are really saying with your actions. Are you telling yourself that you do not have enough? Are you acting like what you want is far away? The moment you change how you see yourself, everything changes. The chase ends. You do not need to run anymore. What you want starts coming to you. God never wanted you to beg for what already belongs to you. Think about a small child asking their parent for food, and the parent saying you must prove you deserve it first. That would not make sense. Yet this is how many people live their lives, believing they must earn what is already given. But God does not hold things back from you. What you want is not about being worthy enough. It is about being in alignment with it. The secret to receiving is your state of being. You must feel as if you already have what you want. If you want love, feel loved now. If you want success, feel successful now. The outside world is only showing you what is happening inside you. When you stop chasing and start receiving, something powerful begins to happen. The things you used to run after will start coming toward you. Opportunities will appear easily. People will show up at the right time. Doors you never even tried to open will open for you. This is not just hope or imagination. It is a law. The more you chase, the more you create distance. The more you trust, the more life brings things to you. So let go of struggle. Stop trying to force things to happen. Stand in the belief that you were meant to receive, not chase. When you truly accept this, life will begin to flow in ways you never expected. Everything in your life is shaped by what you believe inside. Your world is not happening to you. It is happening through you. Whatever you accept as true becomes your reality. Whatever you keep imagining will slowly take shape in your life. You are not controlled by situations, because situations are only reflections of your inner state. Many people think that the physical world is the only truth. They believe what they can see and touch is what is real. But the truth is that the unseen world is even more powerful. Everything you see today started as a thought first. The chair you sit on, the building you stand in, even the life you are living, all were ideas before they became real. This is how creation works. It starts in the mind and then appears outside. Once you understand this, you stop reacting to life like it is separate from you. You begin to see that life is responding to you. It reflects your inner state back to you. If you believe in lack, you will find situations that confirm that belief. You will see struggle and problems everywhere. But this is not because life is against you. It is because you accepted that idea as true. Your mind is like a projector, and your life is the screen. Whatever you believe is shown back to you. Change what you believe, and your life must change too. The same is true for abundance. If you believe that life supports you, that you are always provided for, that things come easily to you, then life will prove that to you. You will find yourself in the right place at the right time. You will meet the right people. Solutions will come before problems even grow. This is not luck. It is a law. Many people struggle because they only react to what they see. They forget that they are the cause of it. They see problems and believe in them more, which creates even more problems. They feel rejected and start believing they are not good enough, which brings even more rejection. But people who understand the power of the mind do something different. They do not let the outside world control how they feel. They choose what to believe first, and then life follows. The world always matches what you believe again and again. If you want to change your life, you must change what you tell yourself every day. Pay attention to your thoughts. What are you imagining again and again? If you keep thinking about failure, you will experience it. If you keep thinking you are unloved, you will feel lonely. The mind accepts whatever you repeat and brings it into your life. That is why it is important to feel as if your desire is already fulfilled. Do not wait for things to change before you feel happy, loved, or successful. Feel it now. Walk with the belief that it is already done. Speak and think from that place. Life will slowly adjust to match it. Some people may not believe this. They think life is fixed and cannot change. But those who understand the power of the mind know the truth. The only limits are the ones you accept. If you believe in limits, they will control your life. But if you believe in possibility and continue to hold that belief, then nothing can stop you. You do not need to struggle or fight against life. You only need to change what you believe. If you believe in abundance, you will live in abundance. If you believe in love, you will experience love. If you believe in success, doors will open for you. The world is not separate from you. It is your reflection. Your imagination is powerful. Use it wisely, and life will reflect it back beautifully. Your desires are not random. They are not something you made by mistake. They are a signal. They are showing you the life that is already possible for you. The moment you feel a desire for something good, it already exists in a place you cannot yet see. You do not need to fight for it. You do not need to suffer for it. Your only job is to become aware of it and accept that it is already yours. Many people misunderstand desire. They think wanting something means they do not have it. So they spend their lives chasing things that always feel far away. But this is not true. The fact that you want something means it is already meant for you. If it was not, it would never come into your mind. Desire is showing you what is waiting for you. It is like a signal telling you what is possible. Think of it like a radio. The station you want already exists, but you must tune to the right frequency to hear it. In the same way, your desire already exists. You just need to align your mind with it. When you want wealth, it is because wealth is possible for you. When you want love, it is because love is ready for you. When you want success, it is because success is already available. You are not creating something new. You are recognizing something that already belongs to you. The mistake many people make is thinking they must work endlessly to get what they want. They think they must prove themselves again and again. But God does not give you a desire just to make you struggle for it. The struggle is not in receiving. The struggle is in believing that you must struggle. When you let go of that idea, everything begins to feel easier. When you stop forcing things, life starts flowing naturally. To truly receive your desire, you must accept that it is already done. You must live with the feeling that it is already yours. This is what faith means. Faith is trusting something even when you cannot yet see it. The moment you believe it is yours, life starts changing to match that belief. Some people think desire leads to disappointment. They think wanting something will only hurt them, but this only happens when they think desire is outside of them. The truth is, you do not chase desire. You become it. You feel it, live it, and then life reflects it. You were taught to believe in effort and struggle, but look at nature. The sun rises without effort. Seasons change without force. Rivers flow without struggle. Life moves easily. You are part of the same system. When you align with it, your life also becomes easier. Trust that your desire is not a trick. It is not a test. It is a promise. Your only responsibility is to believe it is already done. When you do this, your life will begin to change naturally. There is a big difference between searching for something and knowing it is yours. Searching means you believe it is far away. Knowing means you understand it is already here. When you live with that knowing, life begins to match it. Most people are always searching. They look for love, money, and happiness, thinking it is somewhere far away. Because they keep thinking they do not have it, life keeps showing them that they do not have it. But when you stop searching and start being, everything changes. You stop looking for signs. You start living as if it is already done. You think, speak, and act like you already have what you want. This is the difference between struggle and ease. One keeps reaching, the other already has. When you stop waiting for proof and start believing first, everything begins to shift. You do not need to know how it will happen. You only need to believe that it will. Doubt is what keeps people stuck. Faith is what moves things forward. Faith means trusting without needing proof. It means believing even when you cannot see. When you truly trust, you stop worrying. You stop forcing. You move with confidence, knowing everything is working for you. Everything you want is already within you. Your life is a reflection of what you believe. There is nothing to chase, nothing to fight for. You only need to realize that what you want is already yours. When you stop doubting and start knowing, life will begin to match your belief. Walk as if you already have it. Trust that everything is working for you. Let life flow naturally.